Hey folks, welcome back to Overreactions with the Chad Show. I'm Chad, your host, and on this episode we are going to be reacting to a Airsoft video. Now, Airsoft ain't my bag, baby, but I do get some entertainment out of watching some of these videos, and today's provider is Airsoft Alphonse. He's got a pretty prolific following, as you can see over my shoulder here, just shy of 560,000 subscribers. And on that note, you see right here, he's got a little button. Highlight it for you. This little button right here. Just hit that button. Go ahead, follow him by subscribing, and make sure you click that bell and click all. While you're at it, and while you're on my page, go ahead, do the same for me, and I'd appreciate it. All right, 4.1 million views since May. This dude's a gangster, dude. All right. This specific video is U.S. Special Operations soldiers try to airsoft and destroy everyone using an MG4 and a Mark 18. Cool. This is 800 players, man. Wow, 800 player airsoft gameplay and night vision. Guardian Center. The Guardian Center. State-of-the-art facility. Oh, this is like a real place, man. 830 acres. Floodplains? Oh, must be for fast water, maybe, or just high water rescue. Perry. Got it. Okay, cool. Never been down there. Heard about it. This ought to be good. Very cool. This is one of a series of videos, so I have both part one, this one right here, and I'll immediately roll into part two right behind it. See what happens, all right? All right. I went ahead and downloaded the videos, so hopefully they'll run a lot smoother. Let's get after it. So here we go. You can see the looks like top of a helmet, maybe an antenna peeking out from the shadow line here. Let's see what happens. And here we go. And he's scared. Notice how he's carrying his rifle. Football carry. That's good. Ooh, right through the window. Shot. He's in the corners. He's just chasing kills right here. I'm about to have to back up on this. Ooh, got on him quick before that guy could even respond. You know what? All right, I'll come back to that and see what happens there. Okay, oh, perfect still shot. Right here in the foreground, you can see his, looks like a Pac 15 on his, this is the Mark 18 right here, I can tell. That's the Block 2. There is, notice the shadow step by stock outside his elbow. He's football carrying. It's a safe way to, in a very efficient way, carrying a rifle in hand while dashing. You're actually slipping off fire before grab the magazine well, mechanically trap the gun, rest it, gets outside your arm, couch it there, use run, gives you a good muscle control. And shoulder, all you do is you just stretch the gun out and run your hand back at the same time to your fine grip, and you can get on the gas. This dude's running a dead sprint at this window. Look how quickly he mantles this window right here. You're capable of great and mighty things whenever you don't really have to worry about dying. And you have a helmet on. Wow. See how quick he shouldered it? Boom, busted it. He might be glancing corners. Just filled them all in like a Scantron. Get to let that guy hanging. Right here. He's crossing the doorway for a breach from hillside to hillside. Dude, right there, kicking the door. That door might be slightly ajar. He's probably seen. He's got his muzzle on the jam. Or pointing directly at the jam. He's muzzle up. And he has no room. He should go. He has control right here. Take the breach. Is it? He's taking it away. But I just wanted it. And I'm not going to be stopping every 5 seconds either. I lied. I probably will be. Boom, boots it. He just chases into one room and immediately hits contact. Boom. He never even looked left. That's what he did. He just sat in, like, hooked through the room to the door and take a combination. And he lets him off because there's no collapse on him here to close it. You have to look at the game. Problem is, he took a shot behind the door, behind that door, and that's why he's in a situation where he has to engage an enemy or a bad guy in the building, behind him. And so he's in the backdrop, or he's in the middle, and there's a bad guy in the middle, and that was the dude chasing down 3 to 8. There's an impression that he killed his muzzle. He sees back about half, 6 inches off that door frame. He can already see long into that room. I don't know, I should stay out of the tactics too much, but boom, he hooks. Whack. Fills him in.
Wait, what color are you, dog?
Hello, mother.
Go!
Something to be said for Pt1, man. Look at this dude scoot. That looks like the same house. There might be, just like in a neighborhood, like tract housing, they might have multiple buildings there, same floor plan. Because at first when they stacked on that door, but now they understand the floor plan, AK went to that door that was ajar, and he scooted right past it knowing what to expect. And he went straight to that far corner and came in that backside. He's getting crafty with it, or they are getting crafty with it on the fly. One dude was already down, did not engage, so he's processing the room fast, on the move. Let's see if he dinks his head checking corners.
James, I'm in!
Open right, open right, open right, open left, open right.
I'm dead.
He blew right past open doors.
Here.
Glance.
What color are you guys?
Hey guys,
No, they're
how's it
red
going?
now.
Today I'm playing Airsoft at the Guardian Training Center located in Perry, Georgia, alongside
That
my
sounds so
friends
pleasant.
from the 75th Ranger Regiment, which is an elite special operations light infantry unit within the United States military that's been featured in many popular video games such as Medal of Honor 2010 or the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 campaign.
Tailored it to the kids.
I'll be using
Smart
the new
advertising.
Elite Force
Reference.
MG4 AEG LMG,
Good
which is
deal.
basically just a stock LMG inside a really nice licensed MG4 body. While my friend, whose perspective you'll be seeing, will be using my Mark 18
Is that
upgraded
him?
by Umbrella.
Dude, Alphonse is
We'll be
yoked.
working together as a team to push up and capture
Interesting
various
flags.
objectives, which will demonstrate how effective the support role can really be when you're surrounded by people who know what they're
Booby
doing,
traps.
utilizing things like basic teamwork, shooting, and movement. I'll be breaking this video series up into multiple videos just due to the overwhelming fact of how much footage I got from this game.
This is cool.
We played for 2 days,
that.
including a night
Giving
game,
away.
which, if you stick around to the end, I'll include some night game footage for the first time with some gameplay recorded through my friend's night vision. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Let's get behind this bus and just f***ing kill those fuckers. Yeah, you
Alright, I'm gonna swing right into engage.
Simple plans. Yeah, that is Alphonse. Distance. Alright. They're collapsing their lanes. I'm independent lanes. They're all collapsing to the same point. They fan out. Alright, he's safe right now. He's getting close to his buddies in that muzzle. Fine. Ba-boom, ba-boom. Just limited penetration across the funnel. I'm gonna run that back a bit. You can see how tight that first person guy, one man, was at the door as he approached. He stayed about that same distance off that funnel. It's like a teeter-totter. The doorway is the pivot in the center. He was so tight to that pivot, all the geometry's already guessing on the other side of that pivot or the door or the gate. So he's really tight. He's having a bigger fan to clear. His bigger piece of pie is much bigger to process. He's quick on the trigger, so he's getting away with it. Ideally, he would do the same thing back here where teammate was at, or he would have just held, or maybe picked up coverage elsewhere, or pushed off to do it. But there's no one way to suck the egg, I guess I could say at this point. Let's see how he continues. Oh. He was danger close. You could hear those rounds ripping past him. That was Alphonse shooting right past his muzzle. He had friendlies way too close, other side of his muzzle. Rule of thumb is knuckles width. Depending on your unit, SOP, whatever, it can be tighter at times, but at that distance with the belt fed, yeah, he should have backed off the gas and let them, or told them to stop, and called shot. But yeah, there's a lot of risk there. Looks like he took a knee here. Yeah, another shot. He was taking a knee to glance. You can see those feet underneath the door. Come on, play. Yep, those are feet. I'll shoot him.
Roger.
Somebody's still shooting. Ooh, supine.
Alright.
Nice. Switches hands. Oh. broke back. So it's like fetal position, but on your face. Got low.
If we rush right there, there's cover.
Nice watch.
Are you ready? Yep.
He peeked, and he saw where the cover was, informed his team, and let them scoot through to it. It's a big, that's beyond courtyard. That's like an airfield or something. That's huge. So stay at the hard cover. Got it.
Full security.
Yeah. Be nice to push down a little bit so you have better sectors. So he's clear their sectors so they can engage. Those flags. I wonder if those flags are included with the U-Haul and 511s. They look real familiar.
Good. Hey, let's go.
Get up. Hear that breathing? He's not gassed. He just needs more oxygen. He's getting it. Okay. He's dimmer switch, throttles back, changes hands, identifies targets, fills them in. Nice. Switches back over to strong side. Gets an eye on the other side. He knows they're compromised.
Back and around? Yeah. But we changed the flag, so no sound.
More, they identified that they were compromised. So they didn't push it. Not Alphonse, he's gonna get some. Well, he's holding them there, keeping them engaged. He's fighting Remo Williams.
They're gonna come in.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm covered in ants.
Ooh,
That's what that is. I was like, what the f is biting me up right now?
at least he's got good Wi-Fi signal. You get him a good death.
Oh shit. Oh
You
Jesus.
get him.
That feeling you get when your best buddy puts his hand on your thigh. That's the feeling of driving a Ford truck. Ford. No girls allowed.
Nice. I got iPro on. Oh, note about that real quick. He probably got those ants back whenever he took a knee and then went supine and then broke back, face down fetal, totally underneath the gate. That's probably got into the ants. Yeah. But when I like hit, it takes the ants a little while to work their way through, start eating on you. And so he's probably a couple minutes running around before he realizes the ants on him going to town. That sucks. Looks like you got a retaining wall. Yeah. Oh, come on, man, play. Oh, there's a couple good ways to get down this.
Yeah, it's a big one, man. Here, hand this to me.
Or ways to do this, yep.
Somebody hand this to me.
Dude, the more Pat handled it. Alphonse, nice tuck and roll, ninja.
Yeah. First and second window on the left. Yeah.
Cover this.
Yeah, NCO taking charge.
Go.
I bet that entire team had a really good game. Yeah, same floor plan. That's the same floor plan. I should have done her.
Vince, I'm in.
See if he glances. Glancing corners.
Oh, fuck. I'm hit.
Ate him up.
Yeah, thank you.
Here.
Thank you for hitting me center mass. Thank you.
Oh, he's not gonna go out with you, bro. Bees.
Right on the right window.
Man,
He's looking
decent
in.
hand drive on the gun. Switching shoulders. His feet looked a little off. He should have flipped his feet around. Should have turned his whole body.
He's in deep
Yeah, he's facing the wrong way. But
Here.
guess he feels quicker getting back behind cover. But he's firing pretty deep from that room,
What do you want to do? Go outside the wall?
which is fine. But with friendlies in the room, better be on the same page. Don't want somebody dart in front of your muzzle like that. Okay. All right. So he communicated it. He might have said something before about it doing that. Right through that door. Okay, yeah. Yeah, stop shooting. Yeah. See how quick he went from football carry to shoulder hit? Yeah, he's glancing these rooms and blowing past them.
Good, good, clear.
So it appears like what he just did, what they did on the what they understand, right? They all have the same floor plan. The buildings always look like on the outside, but they might rebuild whatever, right? But generally, track homes or developments never repetitive floor plans. Once you get a feel for it, you kind of know what to expect inside. And so the first day I went to that one door was a jar of the steel door, and then they showed me this one. It's like, all right, you hit that door, hold that door. I'm going to score around with dual entry. But it's kind of interesting how there's 800 dudes there, so maybe guys are getting touched up too much by the same guys over and over again. So maybe they're a little slower picking up on their jive. But it's just amazing that like you have all these dudes clustered up on one side of the building, and nobody's really paying attention to the fact that guys are calling hit coming through the house behind them, and they're not registering that hey, somebody shot my team on the other side of the building. You know, the benefit like gunfire, but you can still hear the shots, but you hear your teammates yelling hit. I don't know. Just a note. Shooter up far end. He's got his weapon, the telegraph, big time out that window. See what happens when you telegraph? You get filled in like a Scantron. You just spit an ant out.
I'll trade you.
As chance contact.
Yeah, you too, man.
Hydrate.
Hey, Jack!
Oh, I guess he got schwacked too.
Sure, I just died.
They got a lot of dudes on one room hanging out. You think I just asked to take a picture with him? So I guess.
God, I thought you were strong.
I thought you were strong. That's funny.
Oh, God.
Oh, they ain't got bandages. I don't think the arm wound is what killed him, but not that quick. Oh. Human shields. Lacing them in that window pretty good.
Oh, they're pushing on the flag already.
See a lot of other airsofters that just seem to stand at corners.
They're pushing on our left right
what?
here. Hey, they're pushing on this outside wall. Yeah, we have to take this. We need to get guys. Yeah, all right, all right. You guys want to go?
There goes Leroy Jenkins.
Let's go.
Oh, he just got zapped. So. Was that? Did he just like throw that? This dude right here. I think he's got like a camelback and a ball cap. It looked like he threw it. That's not him. There he goes, right there. This guy. He runs off. Grenade. That dude. He calls grenade and he like runs back and he bats it. Tries to swat it. And he hits it right at his own dudes and they eat it. That's what it looked like. Let's try that again. Yeah, you kidding me? That's awesome. He's buying the beer. There he goes. Yeah, he totally was. He's looking up at it. Oh, he drilled him. Why? Why? Okay. Ooh. This is from the second one? Cool. Alright, that's part one down. Cool. So far, so good. Look at this other one. Up and run.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, going right into it.
You got mail.
Ooh. Got a lot of crap in there, too. Nice. He's a bullet hose.
You see that guy?
Yeah, this Alphonse guy's funny. Dude. That's why you have bell fence. Don't worry about him. Him in the formation. It's beautiful, man. I got swatting at him.
Skills to chew 5 gum.
That may be thirsty.
What you're seeing is advanced warfare. not fit, you're gonna die.
Hey, what's up, Mike?
No, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, yeah.
Yes. Look up the M10.
Hold on, ready?
I'm actually Navy SEAL. I was on all 4 different operations.
Shoot left.
There's nothing that I can
You
Wait,
can't
did he just say what I think he said?
No, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, yeah.
Yes. Look up the M10.
Hold on, ready?
I'm actually Navy SEAL. I was on all 4 different operations.
That's funny.
Shoot left.
There's nothing that I can do.
You can't keep getting away with it! Oh. Hello. Hello.
Like putting out a fire, just. Man.
Stimulate your senses.
Ooh, tubular. Ain't too keen on going down there. Somebody's gonna shoot up cars and stuff. Ooh, guys, ooh, maintain your lanes. Or zigzag in a Z pattern. Good enough for variable power. Pull past that door. Yeah, I burped. This is kind of blowing my mind here. Oh, this is crazy angles here.
You're fucking hit, dude.
That's
cold.
right.
Changing.
See all these, dude, those pellets bouncing past the camera? You see that? Screams denote hits.
Oh shit.
He's doing the high homie offhand. I forgot to hold your screws, a massive mistake. Yeah.
Hit. Ow.
Hey,
Ooh,
wait
finger,
on.
dude, right in the Peltor. Hit.
Easy zoning it.
No.
Ding. Yeah. No muzzle flash, nothing. See, now this is how they should have done that gate earlier. At distance, standing off.
Hello.
What's up, Alphonse? How you doing today?
Whoops. That machine gun would have made a lot more noise falling over. Dude, that PK is getting them out there. That's a dash. I'm up. He sees me. He sees me. He sees me. And I'm down. Just put it through there.
10.
Hey, crossing.
You should have backed
get to
off
the
and
bus. Somebody
covered
come to the
and
bus
gone
with
around
me.
that guy, not taking
Riley,
that guy out of the
bus.
fight. He's breathing a little bit harder now, but dude, he's doing it. Man, I'm impressed.
Yeah.
Hey, this is the same bus. Yep, same corner. Oh, that guy got it. Oh, I'm tough. I'll wear short sleeves.
Hey, swing left, swing left. Use the
Oh,
wall, use the
now
wall.
they're using geometry. Dude, they're covered in, dude, throw smoke.
Hello.
Oh, see, they tried to catch him at that gate again, and they use that offset dirt pile as cover.
Yeah, break your wrist.
You swing wide right and cut in. Wide right.
Okay, they're doing double pitch or development, double development. Ooh, nice toss. Oh, dude.
Oh shit, far. They're behind some stairs.
Hey, nice toss. Oh, they're the U-Hauls. They match the flags.
Use the power of the machine gun.
That's a nice chewy war cry. What is this? Ooh. After dark. See how they handle this. Dude, this is what I mean. They're just standing there. Worked. The stairs are not quiet.
What color are you guys?
You're red now. He's got a hat trick. Dude, they murked him. Oh, and his teammates got the same time.
Guess you're green, right?
Oh yeah, they're dead. And still sportsman for being shot up in the dark. And green. Yeah, he was saying green. Oh, guys getting shot, calling green because he thought it was friendly fire. That's beautiful.
What color are you?
Maybe they don't see me.
Eagle.
Eagle. So they run an IFF as challenge pass. Not challenge pass, but it's IFF.
Oh, you were right. That was legit. Bro.
Surprised they could run that fast with boners.
Hey, everyone push in here. Don't give away our presence. Stand out of this breach. Just get behind like some.
Dude.
Yeah. I'm on you. Yep.
Send more. We'll have to put an enemy players can play. Oh man.
You guys are 10, right?
The CP.
Alright, I got the beam on.
They're just coordinating right there in the same room. Wow. Putting the kill back in kill capture.
You, dog?
Too slow. Oh man. Oh, there's my part 3. Okay. Well, I'm not going to do that right now. I'll have to come back to that. But oh man, check out Airsoft Alphonse on the YouTubes if you haven't already. I'm sure he's got a lot more good stuff. That was well worth my time today. And man, Guardian Centers too. That looks like an awesome place to go. That'd be great for law enforcement, man. That's I was big on drag your cars up into and see some new scenes. Man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah. Well, anyways, I better get shooting. So thanks for hanging out with me. I hope y'all had some laughs too. Maybe got a little bit out of it. Hopefully I didn't give up too much stuff. But until next time, stay hydrated. Tastes like flowers.